Be blessed by the divine. Activation frequency of your pineal gland. The pineal gland connects to the seventh chakra in the body, Sahasrara. It's also sometimes called as Duriyam. This is the gateway to heaven, gateway to the divine almighty force. Your mind, in an active normal state, functions between 14 cycles per second to 40 cycles per second as measured in an electroencephalogram EEG machine. 14 to 20 is somewhat an active but a less emotional state. 21 to 30 is considered an highly emotional state. 31 to 40 is considered an agitated state of the mind, perhaps even mentally retarded. Or when you are in under rage, when you are in deep depression, you could potentially go to a very high frequency. The body does not have the capacity to withstand beyond 40 cycles per second. So the brain frequency determines how calm and peaceful you are. The activation of pineal gland, the Sahasrara chakra, is done in our simplified Kundalini yoga system through the eye power of the Divine Master. The Master will sit in front of you and pass the divine energy through his eyes or her eyes into your eyes, taking your Kundalini Shakti from Agna to Sahasrara. Usually within a few seconds to a minute or so, you will feel your life force tingling sensation and activated pulsation of your life force at the Duriya chakra. You meditate over your own life force. As you meditate at Sahasrara chakra, your brain frequency will go down to alpha frequency. Alpha is between 8 and 13 cycles per second. Usually you reach this activation frequency when you are about to go to sleep. This state is also called sleep with dreams. But in our Kundalini yoga system, you will not go to sleep. You will remain aware. You will remain conscious. And yet, you will enjoy going to that subtle frequency. Enjoy this wonderful state of peacefulness, calmness, tranquility while you are still awake. Learn the Sahasrara meditation in our Vedatri Sky Yoga system. I hope to see you in one of our next workshops. Good luck. Be blessed by the divine.